Hi, hello, and welcome back, everybody, to another IG pack opening. Today we have a Sword and Shield base set pack. Come on. Why do some of these packs have to be so difficult? They're like children. Alright. Got a fighting energy on the back there. Alright, speaking of children, we got Pokekid, followed by an Energy Search, Team Yell Grunt, a Yamper, Scorpion, Clobopus, I don't know, Wooloo, Sobble, an Energy Search Reverse, and for our rare, a Claydol. Oh, one of the underappreciated Pokemon in my opinion. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time for more.